Have you ever noticed how companies are constantly advertising on social media and reaching out to you in your inbox? Well, that's all part of digital marketing, the art of promoting products or services through online channels. Hello everyone and welcome to this video by Intellipaat. So in this video, we'll be talking about how to make a career in digital marketing. Digital marketing is a fascinating field that involves everything from crafting engaging social media posts to creating targeted email campaigns to boosting website traffic through search engine optimization. It's all about reaching your target audience in the digital space and getting them to take action, whether that's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or following your brand on social media. And the best part, digital marketing is constantly evolving, which means there are always new techniques and strategies to experiment with. So if you're a creative thinker who loves to learn and stay ahead of the curve, then a career in digital marketing could be a perfect fit for you. So if you're interested in digital marketing, stay till the end to make sure you know all about how to kickstart your career in this field. With that, let us take a look at the agenda for this video. First, we'll talk about the education and certifications required. Then we'll move on to discussing technical skills. After that, we'll talk about the creative skills required. Then we'll move on to talking about experience, and with that, we'll conclude. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular updates from us. Starting with the first topic, that is education and certifications. They play an important role in building a successful career in digital marketing. While a formal degree in marketing, business, or communications can be helpful, it is not always necessary. In fact, many successful digital marketers come from diverse educational backgrounds such as engineering, psychology, or even art and design. However, there are many digital marketing courses and certifications available that can help develop the necessary skills and knowledge. Intellipaat offers a digital marketing course which covers a wide range of topics including SEO, SEM, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, analytics, and more. So make sure to check it out. Moving on to technical skills. When it comes to digital marketing, there are several technical skills that can be incredibly valuable in the industry. Here are a few examples. Starting with data analysis, digital marketing campaigns generate a lot of data such as website traffic, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Being able to analyze and interpret this data can help you make more informed decisions and optimize your campaigns for better results. Moving on, search engine optimization. SEO involves optimizing a website to rank higher in search engine results page, which can drive more traffic to your site. Technical SEO skills such as keyword research, on-page optimization, and backlink building can be incredibly valuable in digital marketing. Next is website development. While you don't need to be a web developer to work in digital marketing, having some technical skills in this area can be helpful. Understanding how websites are built and structured can help you make better decisions about website design, usability, and optimization. Next is email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for engaging with customers and driving sales. Technical skills such as creating responsive HTML emails, setting up email automation sequences, and tracking email metrics can help you create more effective campaigns. Moving on, let's talk about social media advertising. Many digital marketing campaigns involve advertising on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Technical skills such as creating ad campaigns, setting up tracking pixels, and optimizing ad targeting can be incredibly valuable in this area. Now let's talk about creative skills. Creative skills are essential in digital marketing as they are critical to crafting effective and engaging content that resonates with target audience. The ability to create compelling content is one of the most important skills in digital marketing. This includes developing content for social media, websites, blog posts, email campaigns, and other marketing materials. Creative skills in digital marketing involve a broad range of abilities including graphic design, copywriting, and video production. Graphic design skills are essential for creating visually appealing materials that catch the eye of potential customers. This includes designing eye-catching images, infographics, and other visual content that can be shared on social media platforms. Moving on, let's talk about experience. Experience is a crucial aspect when it comes to building a career in digital marketing. The industry is highly competitive and having relevant experience can make significant difference in securing job opportunities. There are several ways to gain experience in digital marketing. One of the most common ways is through internships. Many companies offer internships for students or recent graduates to gain hands-on experience in the field. This is a great way to learn from experienced professionals and get a feel for what it's like to work in digital marketing. Another way to gain experience is by freelancing or working on projects for clients. Freelancing allows individuals to take on a variety of projects, develop new skills, and build a portfolio of work. Additionally, building personal brand and presence on social media platforms can also provide valuable experience in digital marketing. In conclusion, digital marketing is a dynamic and exciting field that offers many opportunities for growth and creativity. Whether you're interested in social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, or any aspect of digital marketing, there are plenty of opportunities available to help you get started. With its focus on creativity, communication, and data analysis, digital marketing is a rewarding career path that can help you succeed. With that, we come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.